Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital stickers for GoodNotes. First, you'll want to identify your unique niche and target audience. Consider what makes your stickers stand out. Next, understand the specific file requirements for GoodNotes, typically pre-cropped PNGs or GoodNotes files. Finally, research popular platforms like Etsy or your own website to begin your selling journey. This foundational work is crucial for a successful launch. When designing your digital stickers, utilize powerful software such as Procreate on an iPad or Adobe Illustrator on a computer. Aim for a high resolution, typically 300 dpi, to ensure your stickers look crisp and clear on any device. Export each individual sticker as a transparent PNG file. This format allows users to easily place them over any background in GoodNotes, enhancing their digital planning experience. Packaging your stickers effectively is key. Organize them into themed sets or collections, making it easy for customers to find what they need. Create attractive product mock-ups that visually demonstrate how your stickers look when used in GoodNotes. Write clear, descriptive product titles and descriptions, highlighting key features and benefits. This helps potential buyers understand exactly what they are purchasing and how it will enhance their digital planning. To market your sticker shop, actively promote your products on visual social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest. Share engaging content, including tutorials and examples of your stickers in use. Engage with the vibrant digital planning community to build connections and gain visibility. Consider offering special promotions, bundles, or freebies to attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases, helping your shop grow steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.